Sure, but we move straight to the Ashanti region, where I do have one of our correspondents, William Evans Inkum, standing by to give us an update and a live report from the Swami magazine to look at their operations.
Every business to thrive, there must be an improvement on the business environment, and this calls for innovations and technological advancement. One particular body that is ensuring that Swami magazine actually inculcates innovations and technological advancement into its scheme of things is SMIDO, Swami Magazine Industrial Development Center. Well, I have with me here a white man here. I don't know what actually he is doing here, but he is going to tell me very briefly what he is also doing in this project site. So, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
And what's your name?
My name is Melis Smits.
Great, Smith. Tell me, what is your work here?
My work is the designing of the car. So I work together with the technicians, and actually we came here to Ghana with no idea what kind of African car we would build, but we were learning actually by doing.
Do we have an assurance that after the completion of this car will actually meet international standards? We can actually export this car to other countries in order to stimulate our GDP?
There are big words, but yes, I think this is a prototype which addresses actually a very important thing, and that is, if you talk about the international market, then you should be aware that every continent and every country has a different climate with different needs and different economy. So therefore, you always have to make a car which fits to the local market.
That is the biggest news we are hearing on Midday Live today. In case you're just watching, Swami Magazine is coming out with a new car, and I'm telling you that this is a Ghanaian made car. We are going to produce car made in Ghana. That is fantastic. That's just fantastic news. I just can't wait to lay my hands on the steering wheels of this car. That is